Edwin, killing it at the moment.
Saw 50. Jesus. How much do you see right now?
5.
5? Damn. So right around entry.
50 London session. I'd be taking it all day.
Yeah, greedy bastard.
Yeah. This profit's got to you.
I'm back on YouTube now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I apologize, YouTube. Internet started tripping. For that, I was trying to mark up NAS. Took it by earlier on NAS.
Nice.
Oh, Asian session?
I guess so.
You've changed.
No,
Yeah.
I didn't change.
He changed. He changed.
He changed.
I'm still me. So we got an hour support here. Actually expecting buys on NAS. I'm gonna keep this 1 hour now. Mark up this one down here. And this one.
Ooh.
Yeah, looks like good one slower, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Not bad thing.
So we got 30-minute demand here.
Heartless. I'm sorry, Edwin. They didn't mean it.
Let's use these 2 15s. So the buys I took was wait a minute. Yep, right here. These
Oh, yeah.
buys.
Okay. Yeah, Asian session. This guy.
No. What time is this? Yep, it was right. Hold on. So I used the 30-minute demand actually. Okay, it was this candle 23.30. Yep, right here.
Ah, okay.
Took it at this candle right here. Yep.
Nice.
So if we take buys on gold, we'll be looking at 110 pips for the stop loss and TP. Money Lucy, Money Jeffsky, Perpetual, CJ. Money Max. Good morning, Stephen. How you doing? Once you hear cha-ching, it's time to get in.
Order working.
That's not it.
Whenever you hear that guy's voice there, you are like, oh, is that it? Oh.
Oh, that sound was scary.
You know what? Hi. That voice sounds like you, but angry, like angry forcefully.
Yeah.
And I thought it was you, like you were taking a mick or something once. And it's like, that's not like Kai. Something's wrong.
Order rejected. Oh God.
See?
God damn it.
Amazing. I'm sorry if you've said that before, guys. Obviously, if you have, but you know me, late to the party.
Your buying level is 31.28 with one lot is equal 31.28. Probably talking about Forex because we way above 31.28 on futures.
That's a great buy. 31.28.
Good morning, PJ.
Order filled.
All right. I am
Stop
in.
filled.
I am in, guys. We are in. And see how it goes. Yeah. Just gonna trigger us and do that. Am I selling or buying? I'm in buys. Man, that was crazy. Straight drawdown.
I think it literally, yeah, your entry was the top of the top. $64.7. Jesus, what a rejection.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh shit, this is coming.
What the hell?
Wow.
Wow. See if it can bounce again.
When it go to the end, I'm like, this should keep going. Oh man.
Damn boy. Well, they fucking jinxed the shit out of it. He said his entry's the best entry. Man, Wolf said, not today, bitch.
I mean, look at the beautiful sale yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
Yes. Oh.
And this even have minor resistance gaps to fill to the left, and we're bullish, but yeah. As long as, man, even if it breaks this support shit, our stop loss is right below it. Yep, we'll see what happens. It's not over until it's over. Hey, good morning, Ahmed.
Man, crazy rejection. Jesus.
This little area to hold. Which it. Okay. That looks good.
Looking heavy loss in this trade. We'll see. Am I entered in this trade or not? I don't know. Maybe you have something in your ears, or maybe you can't. You're blind. I don't know what to tell you.
You know, it's like a Nigerian telegraph.
Yeah, light, but man, when it crossed it, that's when it should have freaking went up. But it is what it is.
We're okay. We're okay. I just bought. We're okay. We're okay.
Yeah, this week right here is my 100 contracts.
Yeah, yeah. That candle sucked.
Yeah, bad now.
Yeah, I actually wanted to flip bullish. If you flip bullish, then it's better. If it closes bearish,
Yes.
well, as long as it closes with a long bottom wick, then we still got a chance. If it's gonna close bearish, then I at least want this bottom wick to be bigger than this top wick.
Man, that is fucking crazy. Gold, you dirty bastard. Right at the entry point it rejected. Outrageous.
That hasn't happened in a while.
Yeah.
And this is actually a good demand. Actually, not only is it's a good demand, it's also a previous minor low, and it's a minor low that broke structure. Golden moving doing Asia and offering shit in London. Typical.
Come on, hold, hold, hold.
Look at the delta. Ooh, man. Not looking good on the delta.
Oh. Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Yeah. Candle has 200 plus sellers in it. Damn. Okay, buyers, where are you guys? I need to see at least 150 to 200 buyers on this candle. Not looking good.
Right.
That got in at 31.77. They're not done yet. Looks like it.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Oh man, yeah, that's absolutely tanky.
There's still a chance, but it ain't good. It is not good.
If it doesn't do it now, and I don't know.
If this level doesn't hold, it should come down like really far.
Yeah. This could be. This doesn't hold. This could be the start of a long pullback.
Yeah. Man, the fucking daily chart looks insane. This thing could pull back a long way and be bullish. So I guess we're ditching London session for Asian session, yeah?
Nah. And last night was just a one-time thing. I woke up early and I was bored. I feel like watching movies. Yeah, if this low doesn't hold, then this move is finally created a lower low. And this is gonna be the lower high. Yeah, if we had a minor low here that got taken out, then I would have waited for this to pull back deeper before I take buys. But it is what it is. Yep, not looking good. Broke the low. Man. Folks, and this is the first trade of the month.
Oh, damn. First, yeah.
Match was very, very good.
Gold said April Fools.
Proper flipping out. Sticking two fingers up. Nah, 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 nah. Man, should have waited for this nice buys.
Yep. The new 5-minute must have opened bearish. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I lost hope. Damn, come on, Nas. Just come back down there. That would be crazy if we actually survive this.
Unfortunately, we lost straight off the pond.
Wait, is that Gideon's voice?
Wouldn't get by top. But yeah, we lost today. We haven't lost for the day session. We still got you.
Oh, that's Anna watching Gideon. Mm. Man, good. Just do what you're gonna do, man. So I can see what Nas is gonna do. Oh,
Order filled.
Stop cancelled.
there we go. All right. That's an L. Well, first L of the month. Hopefully there'll be no more. I'm done with good for this session. Good. I'll see you down in New York. I want to watch NQ. Got one more trade left in me. If NQ gives a buy setup, I will take it, and if not, I'll end this stream. Well, that's unfortunate. quick. There's a 1 hour demand here. I prefer this 15-minute demand better at least. And if it goes up from the 1 hour, then it is what it is. See what happens though in New York.
Yeah. We're just one trade away from back to break even, baby.
It would be better if I move my SL a little bit lower. Man, this stop loss was 110. With this right now, I'm not even gonna be looking for, I don't recommend looking for buys anymore at this point. That's just my own opinion. Like this demand here, forget about it. Just look for sales at this point. Probably wait for this 30-minute candle to close. Once it closes, mark up this 30-minute supply. And if we break above this 30-minute supply, then you can look for buys. But right now, I actually recommend you still looking to trade gold, look for sales for now. It's even a 15-minute. Because right now, if you look at, so pretty much from this high, this is the major high of this range, and this is the major low of this range. 31.31 is the major low. And since we created the major low, the major high, created this low, this high, created another low, high, and now this minor high has broken and closed below this lower low right here, this previous lower low, and we broke it. So there's a chance this is just going to continue down. It had this chance to go back up from here, it did not. So this is going to come back down. I don't see buys anymore. Yeah.
Oh, that was a 5-minute setup on NAS that you had on Nation session?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember, we've been checking now just on the 5.
Yeah, I thought it was just New York session.
No.
Did you see how fast that candle fucking flipped?
Just
It opened up there and went bearish instantly.
Yeah. You're welcome, Ahmed. Now, when I say sales on gold, don't get me wrong, gold is still bullish. Is it as of right now, this is looking like gold wants to have a deeper pullback here. So, but eventually it's gonna go back up. Pips.
Order working.
If you trade Forex, if you take buys, your stop loss will be 60.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Should we take gold again instead? Or Nas?
Both.
Shit, I don't know.
Hey Gideon, how you doing? I hope you guys have a pending orders here on NQ. And if it does not get to entry, if gold gives a setup, I'll just take gold and cancel my NQ pending order.
Nas looks okay to go up. Gold. Yeah, gold has a long way to go down.
Yep, it does. This low at 31.4, I'm not even sure if it's going to hold, but we'll see. As it is the low of the range.
Yeah.
You might just bounce off this 5-minute demand here. Might bounce off of that.
Oh shit, Kill the Beat bought gold.
Just now?
Snap.
Oh.
If this was New York, like lots of volume, I'd be like selling it right around here.
He taps this 15 minutes of why.
Break even at 21 bips. How much is this thing
Nice.
move?
Gold will pull
Oh,
back,
wow.
targeting all-time high again. It's gonna go back up, but I don't see it going back up right now. If it breaks 31.64, then okay. But based on what I explained earlier, in the range between 31.77 and 31.31, created a major high, created a low high. The reason why this is also a lower high is because even though this wick kind of tapped the resistance, we did not close above, and look at how the body closed. So you have a lower high here, and then once we had the rejection, we dropped, we have this aggressive selling to the downside, and then created a lower high. Once this lower high was created and we did not continue to push up, Instead, we came down and closed below this low. At that point, I am looking for this setup. I agree that's gonna go back up, but not right now. And if it does, then I guess I was wrong. And there will be, once, if it closes above 31.64, then I'm switching my buyers back to buys. As long as the 5-minute can close, rejecting this supply here. If the 15 flips, and still take it, we'll see.
$31.54.4. Oh, nice entry. Jeez.
Oh, that was KW's entry.
Yeah.
And if this thing goes up, looking at the 30-minute, it's going to be because we pretty much did not close below this low. Can we still come down and break it? Absolutely. So for buys, I'll just rather wait until it breaks that minor high, and then look for buys. As is trying to push up, maybe the second trade will be Nas. We're gonna have entry there. 1914.50. Mm. That's why it's out. Well, maybe it is going to be NAS. Remember, NQ surplus is actually going to be 60 if you trade Forex. Need to stop saying Forex. NQ, you got 240 ticks. That's why you told me to be better if I move my stop loss a little bit lower. I don't like moving my stop loss anyways. So I said it, that's it. It's there for a reason. Well, I still don't see this going up yet, even though we did not close below this minor support here on the 30-minute. This right here. Yeah, until we break above. If we break above this minor resistance, then we should go back up. And then if it closes above, there's a chance it's going to try to pull back to let the sellers get in and reject off the demand just to continue up.
Wow. I can't believe it went that high.
Help me either.
Crazy, isn't it? Jesus.
I know that there is like a thing where you have an extremely wide stop loss, so what happens is it breaks your, tight stop loss, but you're still not out and you get out at the retracement, so you lose less because you'll retrace usually. But you know, that's a bit risky because sometimes you have those events where it absolutely plummets after breaking a level.
Yep. Oh, yep, Kitty Bit, I'm sticking to it until it breaks this resistance. You're still in cash? Oh, okay. Man, I would recommend doing that often because it could have continued to the downside once it broke that low. If your stop loss gets hit, if you still have room to take a trade, just wait for another setup. Because what would you have done if this thing had continued to tank?
Buy a new prop firm account.
Once you set your stop loss, I'm telling you, it's a very bad habit to keep moving your stop loss. You better off not having a stop loss in the first place. Because once you move that stop loss once, you're just going to keep moving it. Before you know it, your freaking NT will look like this. Stop loss will be like this. You just keep moving it and moving it and moving it. And TP will be like this. Like, what's the point?
I don't know. You should ask Don.
Okay, Cash. I know you know. Damn, Max. I didn't say it. Max said it. I'm right, you moved your SL and it still hits and reversed.
Damn.
They don't quit again. Nah, he's on what's it called? Twitch. I must have B if you feel like getting out. I can't help you with that one. Oh, I already got pending orders on NQ. You know, I'm only trading it on futures, so I got pending orders.
We got news during New York, but later in the New York session. 30 minutes after NYSC.
Oh, yeah. Give me a second. I think I should be able to do. I only need US news because I don't need all this other crap. Oh, NAS is getting close to entry here.
Yep.
EMI.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right. I'm in NQ. And that's it for today. Can actually use 50, but we'll do 50 pips. Enough. So 200. $200.
Ticks.
I mean, ticks. Well, please stick over for me. I'll be right back, guys.
Lows, NAS, and small profits. Too scared to trade. Wait, what? You're too scared to trade it, but you closed it, which means you took it? Lost your Asian profit. That sucks. But you're not red on the day, hopefully. Flashback of nearly blowing account on Nasdaq. All that has to do with his over leverage. Had a loss on your first buy setup? Yeah, pretty much everybody did. Well, take care, Kinder. Oh yeah, like depending on, the type, the way you trade, the way you like to trade, different sessions will be better or worse for you. Like I hate fucking low volume sessions, like usually, like London and Asian don't really like it, but New York love it. It's like very fast, very volatile. But London's been better this month, I think. Wait, not this month. Last month, March. Oh, 50%. Think NAS will go higher. I don't think it'll go and break those highs during London. New York session, we'll see. If it breaks those highs, then man, you're looking at like 19,900 target on futures. But, you know, New York has news. It's going to be super volatile.
Okay, so we hit the 50% mark. Oh, what did go do? Look at that.
That's projecting.
Rejected.
Low volume.
Yeah. It should calm down. Anybody being paid by Top Step? If your question is, do Top Step pay? Yes, they do.
Yeah, I've never heard people complain about them not paying.
They absolutely do. He said London, New York overlap is the most volatile. That's like when London is about to close, I believe.
All I know is NYSC, absurd volatility.
I think he's right. Sometimes that happens, especially with all these freaking equities.
Yeah. And even with gold, sometimes, like, you know, like NYSC opens and they just like one direction nonstop. They just pick a direction that just starts going.
Yeah.
Man, that NAS candle, after it hit the entry, it pulled back like 17 pips instantly.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like tagged the entry, went up a little bit, and then like walking 17 pips straight down, and then straight back up again.
I wasn't paying attention.
I was watching it, I was like, damn, yeah. That London volume, it leaves gaps and then it wants to like fill it and then go again.
Yeah. This was a nice push. Hopefully it continues here. You heard someone say Topstep did not pay. Oh, what did they do? I haven't had Topstep not paying. NYC is so nice to trade. Nice, yes. So much volume. Yep. Once in a while, NAS, wanna act up, but it's usually Wednesdays and Fridays. If NAS wants to act up, it's usually those 2 days, usually. Based on what I've seen. When I used to trade NAS like pretty much every freaking day, I used to study it. I studied it more than I did with US 30. That's one of the reasons why I prefer NQ. It's crazy, even though the first indices or equity I've ever traded was US 30, like the first trade. If this was NYSC, you would have hit this TP by now.
It would have taken out those highs. Probably in like one candle too.
I think you really need to have a huge stop loss though in London. Nice trade on Nasdaq. Thank you, Ahmed.
Fucking gold, man.
Did you check this, Pi?
Yeah, I took the Nas trade.
Okay.
Get my money back.
I'm trying to get it back and more.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I know I'm not being greedy. I go slipped 2 ticks.
Now, how many contracts did you buy? Maybe like too many.
Top step and alpha 5. I didn't guess slipped on mine. It was top step and alpha.
Oh, okay.
And his micro, I bought 5.
Oh, okay.
Oh man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
There we go.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Made my money back and some more.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, lovely. I knew I should have put mega lots on that one.
Oh. Well, on mine, I didn't. But on top step and alpha, made my money back.
Nice one.
Which is right. If you took this trade, spam W's in the chat. We made our money back. Good should fall. Beautiful.
Thank you, King.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, Pi, did you hold this?
Yep. I'm closed a bit now, but I'm gonna hold a runner. Very small runner.
Okay.
I'm tempted to hold this for the break because I entered with 60 pips. I had my lot set on the 60 pips and 60 pips to make all back. Or maybe I hold it to New York. Who knows? Or maybe I close now.
Holding on futures?
I'm on Forex.
Yeah. What about you, Pi?
I'm on Forex still.
I'm not so rich to trade the Nasdaq on futures.
Yeah. I tried to take it on my personal account and it went
The sound of Forex.
That's funny.
No, I tried to my personal account. I've got like 4.5k in it, and it still went.
Oh, shit.
You should have used Michael. You should have used Michael.
Okay.
Yeah, if you use Michael, we'll let you. No, when we trade in NQ, nah, don't trade E-mini. No, with that account size.
Oh, he's talking about Forex, right?
Yeah. It's on in my Forex account.
Oh.
Yeah,
Wait,
it was like
4.5k on Forex, and it still didn't let you. What
I think I
size
need
is
to.
this?
Well, I try to do 5,
You
which I
have-
think is
yeah.
£5 per
And you have
tick.
different leverage.
Ah,
on
5.
all of the leverage.
Oh,
but
that yeah, that's too big. That's too big. You need to use like 0. Man. Ooh. Yeah, maybe 0.1 or even 50 cents.
No way.
Yeah, maybe his broker has the that sizing like your old broker, where 5 is like more like 50. Is like comparable to 50 lots of gold.
Oh
think it
yeah,
probably was.
maybe.
Yeah.
Probably, yeah, probably so.
Yeah, I think it was really rude. He wouldn't let me. Oh, I'll stick to it. To be fair, I've never traded NAS on that personal account.
Yeah, just take 1 decimal point off of that. 0.5.
Yeah. And that would be more like $5, about £5, isn't it?
Yeah,
Jeez.
pretty much.
Rather than
When you trade gold, what do you usually trade? Like,
so on the personal one, it would be I would do 5. So, but I've noticed on gold, gold and NQ, it almost doubles it.
okay, yeah. So yeah, then you gotta go
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, YouTube. I appreciate you all. If you want to trade New York session with us Monday to Friday, get mentored by me as well. Join the best community ever. You can use the link in the description. All right. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. All right, guys. Have a good one. God bless you all. I'm out. All right, guys. I'm gonna see you guys in New York.
All right, thanks, Abe.
Great. Thanks, Dave.